Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game on your PC or laptop. So first head over to the Steam website and just click on sign in options. You will see on the top right. Once you click on it, just simply create the Steam account. This is very simple and easy. After that, click on install Steam options. You will see on the top and just download and install Steam on your device. After you install Steam on your PC, open it up, sign in your account. Now just click on the top search box and just type Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. You will find this game on the top, so just open it up. Now here on this page, you want to scroll down. You will see the option of add to cart. Click on it. Click on view my cart. Now guys, go ahead and click on continue to payment and go ahead pay the amount for this game. After you pay the amount for this game, you will find this game in your Steam library. Go to your library of Steam, find this game, then click on install. That's how you can download and install this game. If you find this guide useful, like it, and thanks for watching.